Banjara market. It's in Gurgaon, and it's a very lovely market filled of all the ceramics and the home decor and dirt cheap furniture. It's a huge market spread across. Like, look at me behind. It's a big market. I'm here to explore some home decor for my house, and I'm thinking of buying little things, not much, because I have a take a flight and go to Pune back, and we don't have much luggage space to carry. So yeah, I think I'll be buying some rug or poofs. Like, I'll show you this. The poofs are looking super lovely, and they're in so much colors. In IKEA it's like available at what, 2500 a piece, and they're selling it off at 1500 for 2 pieces. So yeah, it's that cheap. Come, let's explore together and shop a bit. This is such a lovely piece. Like, it can go over your shoe rack or anywhere in the wall that can reflect light and make your space look bigger. I really like it, but I don't think I'll have the space to carry it. It's a metal, and then there is a mirror. Like, I can see myself here. Then there is this candle stand, which is looking like an antique piece. There are lantern pieces. It's like the whole galore of collection. Then there's this center table, which is gorgeous. I think it can go with a basket, or we can just keep a cushion or some marble on top of it. Looks good, but I don't know if I'll be able to carry it or get it couriered anywhere. These are like IKEA style stools and poofs. Like, these are for cheap prices. I got 2, and this is available for like 1500 with 2 pieces. And this, I'm yet to ask. I don't like this so much, but yeah, it's pretty. There are several colors on this as well. There's a lot of things available at cheap prices. There are lamps in different sizes and shapes. These, I think, are made of wood. Then there are these styles of candle holders, planters. These are like small bunnies. This is like an iron basket. It's pretty lightweight, but it's really like tough. Accent glasses, and I find this one really nice, like a candle holder style. There's so much glass around. ये भी डाल दूँगी. Hey guys, so after the Banjara market haul, we went on to like some more shopping and then rushed to home because we had a flight to catch. तो या मैं आपको सारे products नहीं दिखा पाई थी कि मैंने क्या क्या लिया. तो it's a little like I'm just showing you all the purchases and the bargains that I made at Banjara market. They are really stunning, and the most loved piece is this cushion. I mean, look at this. It's very like hand woven like suta ka kaam, which is like very nice, and it's blank from the back. It came with the cushion inside. It's like filled with the good cotton, and it's really firm. It's not extra soft, it's not extra tight. So yeah, this one in mustard, I got 2 pieces in this. The person charged me around, like, he asked for me like 1000 rupees for 2 cushions, and we eventually came down to 500 rupees for 2 cushions. So this is like 250 per piece, and it's really stunning. This goes on my charcoal grey sofa, and I really love it. Now the second piece that I really loved and is like an absolute find is this cup, like soup cup. It's a giant one, like it can come in 2 hands, And the fact that surprised me was this. Like, this is an signature piece from Jaipur store, which is like a amazing brand for handcrafted artisans, and this one is a perfect replica of their collection. Like, I had seen this on their Instagram, on their website, and this piece particularly was priced somewhere around 1800 to 2500, I suppose, and I got it at just 200 rupees after bargaining. Like, 200 rupees for this, like minus 10x. I really loved it, and I was like, okay, let's take this one. It's perfect for an evening soup, or maybe a giant cup of coffee. Anything that you want in quantity, it's a good one. And it's like a heavy, it's very like good weight, it's good weight. So I really love this piece, even the color. She also had a rose pink in it, but I already have rose pink cups with me, so I thought I'll just have this one. Speaking of rose pink cups, these are the ones I got from Banjana Market. Like, these are really heavy cups. These are meant for coffee or tea, anything. The quantity is good, but the design is so stunning. Like, it has got some geometric cuts around it, and yeah, the quantity is really nice, and it's heavy, and I got it at just 65 rupees for 2 of them. Like, these cost just 30 bucks. Like, I have seen a lot of Instagram handles sell it for like 500 a pair, or 400 a pair, or even 1000 rupees a pair, and I got it at just 65 rupees for a pair, and I'm really like happy with this one. बहुत ही प्यारा पीस है. I have got powder blue in this as well, so it has made a 4-piece set for me, and I really love it. Like, I would like to visit more of Banjara Market to get pieces like this. Next up is this stunning ice cream bowl. Like, I got it in pretty ombre design in blue and purple. This is a replica of the Fab India ice cream bowl, and in Fab India it comes for around, I think, 450 rupees for one piece, and I got 100 rupees per piece. I mean, I just spent 200 on these, and then I have 2 more pieces. These ones are also a replica of Fab India. This is a pretty, turquoisey blue color with so much detail going on, and it's pretty heavy. It's not so, like they say na, low quality hai ya bahut halka maal hai. It's not that. It's very good ceramic, and both of them are so pretty. I got 4 of these at a joint price of 350 rupees. They were charging somewhere around 200 per piece, but I bargained. It was 800 and we got it at 350, and I really love it, especially because I had already seen these both in Fab India, and they were very nice, but I was not ready to spend so much. Like, 400 a piece is too much for ice cream bowls, so I just thought it's a steal, le lo bhai. Next up is my favorite buy, which is this stunning piece of cutting chai. I mean, look at this. This is so nice. ये थोड़ा marble design में है. I'll give you a closer look. So these ones we got a set of 6. I mean, just look at this. We got a set of 6, and these are a very desi way of serving tea, or maybe thandai or anything. It's not too small. It's good quantity, good for chai, like a little extra chai from what you would want to drink regularly. But the piece is so stunning, and it's got some marble finish. It's made of ceramic, but it's got some marble finish on it, which makes it very thanda and very nice, and like a blue rimmed thing going on. I really love this, and we got the entire set for 200 bucks, which was again a good deal, because I don't think these things come in so less price. I had seen this in only one shop and I got it. Otherwise, I know this for sure that these kind of glasses from ceramics almost cost you somewhere around 450 or 500 rupees a set, but this was still a good deal for 200 bucks, so we got this one. And next up coming is one last small piece, some like a trinket plate. It's a really small plate. You can use it for just serving cookies or just keeping jewelry by the side of your side table. I have not yet decided how I'm going to use it, but definitely this was something I really loved. It has polka dot details on it, and it's a really small one, like it just comes in your palm, almost the size of a saucer, you know. So yeah, this was really stunning, and I got it at $50, and I'm really happy purchasing it. That's it. सो गाइज दैट्स इट. मैंने इतनी ही शॉपिंग की थी बंजारा मार्केट से. मुझे थोड़े बहुत सेरामिक्स चाहिए थे अपने घर के लिए, जो मैंने ले लिए. कप्स भी ले लिए, एंड द कुशन इज ऑल्सो डन. आई ऑल्सो लव्ड द रग्स देयर. आई ऑल्सो लव्ड द साइड टेबल्स देयर, द सेंटर टेबल देयर. देयर वर अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ जो बड़े थे एक्चुअली. द मिरर वर्क गोइंग ऑन, एंड बहुत कुछ था जो बहुत बड़े थे, और मैं दिल्ली से पुणे लेके नहीं आ पा रही थी. तो आई वॉज लाइक लेट्स नॉट बाय दैट. मे बी समटाइम व्हेन आई एम डूइंग अ ट्रेन जर्नी और व्हेन वी आर लेस ऑन द लगेज वी आर कैरिंग, आई विल डेफिनेटली परचेज. बट फॉर स्टार्टर्स आई वॉज लाइक इतना बहुत है. इवन इफ लाइक आई वॉज लकी दैट दीज डिड नॉट ब्रेक इन द फ्लाइट. वी टुक इट इन आवर हैंड लगेज, अच्छे से पैक करके, रोलिंग इन क्लोथ्स एंड दिस एंड दैट. सो luckily कुछ टूटा नहीं, and I'm really happy about it. So yeah, that was my Banjara haul, that was my Banjara market experience. And if you have gone to the Banjara market, tell me what did you purchase, क्या आपको अच्छा लगा, क्या आपके लिए वर्क नहीं किया, किसकी क्वालिटी अच्छी है, like all the details. And I'll also link the location of the Banjara market down below, and all of this whatever I purchased. Before you go, I want you to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, because I'm bringing a lot of videos on home decor. I'm also gonna bring a lot of videos on food, and I want you to join me in my journey of exploring Pune as well. So yeah, stay tuned with my journey and tap on that bell icon to receive all the updates that has to come from me. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.